Hey guys, it's Bats here. Wanted to thank you for clicking on the video. Ask that you like, comment, and subscribe. It helps the channel grow and helps us bring more quality content to you guys. And if we do that, we're going to get you to Mandalay Bay a lot faster. Hey guys, welcome back to Ace of Vegas. So I am actually back here today. As you know, we've got a new game. It's the Mermaids charm game. Right now, otherwise we are on Thunder Cash, and I really don't want to play Thunder Cash because it's kind of boring, whereas Mermaid's Charm is new and apparently has mermaids in it, so I'm a little fascinated by that whole concept right there. I believe we should play that. Not sure about you guys, but I'm so down for a little bit of mermaid action over here, and that just sounds so weird, mermaid action, but you know what I mean. So let's go ahead and get started on that. We're gonna go ahead and do the same rules as usual. We'll go ahead and do 100 spins, third sort of thing. We've been doing pretty good overall. We're going to start off with 232,981,316 chips, and we're going to go ahead and continue our experiment here. So let's go ahead and get this revved up, as they say on Yu-Gi-Oh! 5Ds. I'm not sure why I keep talking about that show, because I hate it. But anyway, let's go ahead and get right on into it. Oh no, that's Excalibur. Hang on, I'm sorry. Now I gotta wait for Excalibur to load. Sorry guys, Ace is bad at Vegas clicking. So, whatever that means. Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of that. Alright, let's play this Mermaid's Charm here. Okay, so going into Mermaid's Charm, I've never played this one either. Looks like it's a 5 reel slot, and what are the, alright, 400k, so we're going to be risking about 40 million chips here, and we're on the blue jackpot now. Alright, so let's go ahead and put those 100 spins on the clock. Ready, go. Alright, so already we're seeing a jackpot symbol in there, and looks like the occasional peppered wild in there. I'm glad that these are actually labeled as wilds. I can never tell which reels are wild reels on those Ainsworth and Konami games there. They're just really kind of hard to figure. And it looks like we're collecting something in a quest of some sort. And we're about eight spins in right now. No bonus. I see that they do have bonus icons there, so we are theoretically eligible for a bonus of some sort, and I suspect we'll probably get one in the next 20 spins here, especially since it's a new game, just so we can see what it is. I'm not sure if they do free spins or if there's like a picking game and there's a huge win. Wow, okay. That's another good one there. And so far we're up on the game right now, up by about 2 million thanks to these wilds over here. It's just kind of sporadic wilds popping in. Alright. Not much else to say about the game. I guess I'm guessing it's some sort of Little Mermaid parody. That's what I'm assuming. The bonus lady looks kind of like some sort of jellyfish sea witch, something or other. I don't know. Alright, maybe I'm just making that up because I want to make a correlation there, I'm guessing. Ah, you get it? Correlation? Huh? No, I'm done. I'm sorry. What else is there to talk about? We just had dinner. Did a zucchini stroganoff today, actually. That was a little different. Not sure if you guys have ever done it. It's kind of like a steak stroganoff, only it's vegetarian. Not sure if you guys know, but Wonder Woman is indeed vegetarian. And we do have a great time at a lot of the Vegas restaurants because they have a lot of great vegetarian options, and they're actually very accommodating. So, you know, if you ever have anybody that, you know, that you go to Vegas with who has a restrictive diet, and they're worried, like, no, I don't think I can go. I'm not sure about the restaurants over here. They have lots of options, and they will absolutely accommodate you. You know what? Because, you know, vegetarian money, vegan money, pescatarian money, you know, just whatever combination. You know, gluten-free money is still good money, to be perfectly frank. Never forget that. And, you know, hey, they're very accommodating, very progressive, and they have some of the best chefs in the world just making food over there, so they'll definitely mix it up for you. But I mean, vegetarian cooking is actually not too hard. It's it's the same as just carnivorous cooking. You just replace some things. So I guess in the stroganoff, for example, I replaced the steak with zucchini. I still did mushrooms, and I still did you know, onions and all that good type of stuff. Just replaced the beef stock with veggie stock and all that. Boom, came out brilliant. If I do say so myself. I don't know. I had a really mediocre one at Noodles and Company today. I mean, it was fine in the fact that it was stroganoff, I guess, and that it existed. But I was just like, yeah, you know, I'm not feeling this. I'm not up on this. I didn't even try the new zoodles. I know they're doing this like zoodles thing. It's like this oodles of noodles, zoodles, but it's made of zucchini. So they made zucchini noodles, but it's not real pasta. It's just noodles. I don't know. They cut it into noodles. So. Alright, we are over halfway through our spins right now, and we are not really getting anywhere as far as getting a bonus game or figuring out where the bonus game is. I'd like to figure out exactly what the bonus game is, but it doesn't seem to be happening right now. A lot of wilds, and we're definitely winning some money here. We're up to 240 million. I think that's the highest that we've been since we started this experiment. I'm getting a couple bonuses off the item finding quest over here, but yeah, I don't think we've gotten a single bonus game all experiment here, and we're coming up on 70 spins in just a second here. 5 reel, so we're still getting some near misses here on these 5 reel slots. I'm hoping that we get a little bit closer. Maybe a jackpot today. I'd love to hit a jackpot today, but I don't see it happening anytime soon. Yeah, we're getting those. We're collecting those items left and right. There we go. And we're earning loyalty points actually very, very freely here, which I think is a good thing. Especially spending at 400,000 a spin. I prefer to see that. Man, we're just not. We're getting these puzzle pieces, and 1.23 million chips. Nice. Yeah, we're getting these puzzle pieces over here, but we're just not doing it on the on the bonuses. And I really want to see what the bonus is. I have no idea what that is. And we only got like 20 spins to go. And it would suck to have two oh, there's that bonus. There's that bonus spin. All right. Gamble with the Seaweed. Okay, so I'm right. It's the Little Mermaid parody. So I guess we're gonna go ahead and see what we get. So however many million, and then I guess they have a multiplier over here, and then they have a 10 free spin bonus. Okay, so either we'll get a chip amount, we'll get free spins, or we will get a multiplier, and we'll probably get to spin again. So let's see what we get. Let's hope for those. I'd like to get 10 free spins. I noticed if you get too many free spins, it just doesn't go well for. Okay, we got a multiplier. So we spin again. I wonder what happens if you hit a free spin with the multiplier. Do you guys think that it actually multiplies that number of free spins that you get? I really hope we get some free spins now because I want to test this. I just want to see. Now it looks like we're just gonna walk away with 8 million chips, which isn't a problem. I'm fine with that. It's a good bonus, so and it counts because it's coming from the bonus game there. So hey, double points. Alright, that's that 80 mil, or 8 mil, and looks like we're actually holding pretty good here. I don't think we've seen any major dips. It might just be because this is a new game, so they probably loosened it up just to get people to play, honestly, or maybe I'm just having a good day. I don't actually know. I know that we do have enough bankroll to cover all of our wins and losses, so it doesn't really matter, and I think that really helps with slots. I'm not sure if that's if people just don't play very well. I think that's what the majority of slot issues come from, is that people don't cover their bankroll. And I'm sure a lot of it comes from actual addiction too, so unfortunately. That's the thing. So we only got 10 more spins. I don't think we're going to get another bonus game. I'm glad that we got the one that we got though, and now we understand the bonus. And there are a couple different options there, so far so good. Got a nice little Mermaid parody here, and we talked a little bit about cuisine and all that. Should come up with like the best restaurants in Vegas. I know there's so many of them though, and I'd never know which one to start with and which one to end with. Maybe like best vegetarian restaurant, best I guess best Chinese restaurant, and then here's our last spin here, and we're gonna call that good. All right, so we ended with 236 million 76,316 chips there. All right, so why don't we go ahead and take a little break here, and I'm gonna go ahead and count up the booty, as we always say. Especially since this is a nautical themed game over here, we'll go ahead and do some calculations. So excuse me for just a moment. Okay guys, so we are back now. Let's close this Mermaid's Charm quest. So it looks like we actually walked away from the machine. We had put in 40 million chips, and we walked away with 43,095,000, leaving us at a payback percentage of 107.73%. So that's pretty good. It's not the loosest slot in Vegas, but we've done pretty good. So the ones that we've profited on, I know we've profited on El Señor de los Cielos. We've profited on Bridesmaids. We've profited on Mermaid's Charm. We lost on Excalibur, we've lost on Monsters, we lost on Shack Slam, we really lost on Grand Dragon. And as far as other games, we made some on Bedrock. Let's see, I believe we lost on Mirage, unfortunately. We did do well on Luxor, and I do remember that we did well on, I think it was Mandalay Bay here at the end of the strip. So these are our current favorites, our current loosest slots here, and there goes that mermaid girl. She keeps on popping up with like legs and a bikini and all that, and I'm like, okay, it's a Little Mermaid parody, I guess. That's what we're doing, because mermaids don't have legs, so not really working with that. But okay, looks like we have, so far so good. We've profited with 6, and then we've definitely made our chips over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and call it a good day. Thanks again for watching, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already. And then next time, what game should we play next time? I guess we're just going down the list now. I guess the next game that we can play is just, I don't want to do Forbidden Sevens. Yeah, let's just go ahead and get, we'll get Thunder Cash out of the way next time. How's that sound? Alright, so until then, Ace of Bats is signing out. Thanks again, guys, and happy spinning.